3 things I wish I knew when I started my first coffee shop years ago. So if you've been with me and following me, I had my first coffee shop 2017, 2018, and I had my fair share of lessons. And here are 3 things I wish I knew before I opened my first cafe. Now, years back, 2017, 2018, di pa uso yung mga small cafe businesses, kiosk businesses. So my first cafe was really huge and big. First, I wish I knew that I shouldn't underestimate the cost for renovation and construction. So no matter how we say before na simple lang, no minimalist lang, rustic, keme-keme, construction and renovation really entails a lot. Apart from your tables and chairs, apart from how the floor will look like, apart from what's the color of the walls, apart from what is the finish, there's still other things related to construction and renovation, such as furniture and fixtures. Plus, if your cafe has a dine-in setup, of course, you need to think about the kitchen setup and also your comfort room. Then you need to add Wi-Fi, then you need to add CCTV, and the list can go on and on. So I wish I really knew that I shouldn't underestimate the physical setup of a cafe with a fixed location and a cafe with like 150 SQM. Second, I wish I knew how to check location because having my knowledge now, 8 years of experience in the coffee business, no, if I were to evaluate the location of my first cafe now, I wouldn't rent that place. It actually has a low foot traffic, though it's in a commercial building. If I will evaluate it now, the foot traffic wouldn't be enough. So in our case, we needed to do or add more revenue models aside from sales from foot traffic. That's how we survived. In coffee business, most especially if you have a physical store, you spent already on construction renovation, your furniture and fixtures. So make sure that your location is really good because location is king for coffee shop. Third, I wish I knew before I opened my first cafe is that I wish I knew the work doesn't end in the opening, but it's actually the start of the real work after opening. So I hear this a lot to my clients, to my franchisees, now that they would say, Hala Faith, tara na, let's open para matapos na to. Hep hep, hindi po natatapos when you open. It's actually just the beginning. And when you think that way, that you think beyond the opening of your cafe, you're actually now building systems for your coffee shop to work. Now, I know coffee business is sensationalized. If you ask 10 Pinoys what's their dream business, maybe 7 out of 10 would say cafe. But I hope, apart from fulfilling your dream, you also try to check on how you can make it work beyond the opening. Now, if you're planning to start your own coffee business, your own brand, I have a coffee business guidebook, comment guidebook, to get your copy. Or if you're ready to grow with me in Coffee Postal with our small but profitable coffee business models, comment express and let's talk about your dream coffee business.